flattered. Oh my gosh. I'm going to show you how to make your own makeup wipes today. So if you're interested, please keep watching. So a lot of makeup wipes that you get from the store are prepackaged, and they actually contain a lot of chemicals that are harmful and just overall bad for your skin. Whether it's making you age faster, whether it's making your skin more dry, more oily, it's increasing your acne, it's causing problems in your skin pigmentation and its pH levels. So I learned this a few years ago. I've been doing it now for probably about 5, 6 years. Wow, I don't know. Anyway, I've been doing it for a long time, and it's actually helped my acne a lot. And I know you're probably thinking, she doesn't have the best skin. Oh my gosh, like I know, my acne is not gone. It's hormonal acne for the most part. And so we got a little pimples, we got a little scarring going on, but that's okay. We're human and it's life, you're gonna break out, and this has actually helped my acne so much more than I could have ever imagined. A lot of these products are anti-inflammatory, disinfecting, or antibacterial products, and they're super accessible, they're very easy to use, and so I suggest that you give it a try. Don't just try it once, maybe stick with it for a little while. Just like anything, it's going to take your skin a while to adjust and adapt to what you're doing. But as far as cost, as far as results, it takes my makeup off so well. I buy these things in bulk, guys, so I save a lot of money by doing this. I'll make like 6 or 7 different jars and put them in jars. Very cost effective in comparison to makeup wipes that I know would be good for my skin and my type of skin. I have actually very oily, acne-prone, sensitive skin. So you can adjust these ingredients according to your skin type, which is incredible. Even if just 1 week your acne is more inflamed or your skin is just having problems just in different areas, you can increase one product more than the other, or lower one product, use less of it, and it can make a really big difference in your skin and your skincare routine. I will make about 1 to 7 jars of these at a time, and they last me a very long time. The prices are great. I suggest you try it, like I said, and yeah, let's get to it. So I want to talk about the products very quickly so you know what you're putting on your skin and what you're purchasing. All of these products can be found almost anywhere. Target has all of them. You can probably find them at CVS, Walmart, Walgreens, any of those kind of stores, any drugstore situation. And yeah, product number 1, baby shampoo. You can get Johnson & Johnson's or the Target brand, whichever you prefer. I've used both, they both work very well. What this is going to do, it's going to cleanse your skin very gently for me. Like I said, I have sensitive skin, so this keeps my skin very unirritated. But we also use coconut oil, and this is actually very empty because I just made so many makeup wipes and I forgot to film it because I didn't think I was going to be doing it. So I just get, honestly, any kind of coconut oil. This is going to do, just like most of these products, it's going to act as an antibacterial and anti-inflammatory. And so even though you're putting oil onto your skin, this is also going to remove makeup that's very, very deep in your skin and just smack on that face. A very crucial, important step. It's also good because I feel like it combats all these other ingredients that might dry out your skin, so it's very crucial. Next ingredient is going to be witch hazel. Again, anti-inflammatory. Excuse me if I get some of these mixed up. There's so many different things and I forget what they all do. But you can take this out if you have drier skin, or you can just use a little bit less. I have very oily skin, like I said, so I do use a little bit more. Almost last but not least, tea tree oil. Okay, honestly, just grab whatever tea tree oil you find. It's 100% pure tea tree oil. Again, anti-inflammatory, antibacterial. This is going to be something that will help you a lot if you have acne, but you only put a little bit in, so you will have this for a very long time. Don't spill it everywhere. It will stay. Having flashbacks. Spilled the whole bottle once. It was terrible. Shout out to you, Allison, for being my roommate and dealing with that. So I love you. Anyways, so the last and final step are these cotton rounds. I use 2 packets per mason jar. I suggest getting a wide mouth mason jar. It will help a lot just getting them in and out of the jar as you're using your makeup wipes. And so I get the Target brand ones. You can probably get anything. I don't like the round ones because they're smaller and they just like, they like crumble, and then they just like fall apart and just bleh. They just like bleh. Anyway, so I'm going to show you all the measurements and we're gonna put them together and make some makeup wipes. So let's go. So guys, these are gonna be your products, and so you're just gonna combine all of these essentially, and I'll show you how to do it right now. I've got our little measuring spoons from Target, and let's go. So what you're going to want to do first is you're going to want to get your mason jar. You want to take the top off, keep it on the side for now, and you're going to take your coconut oil, and you're going to want to make this however it's best for your skin. I put in about 3 tablespoons. Like heaping tablespoons. So you can put in more than that if you'd like. Next, you're gonna take your baby shampoo and you're gonna put in again about 3 to 4 tablespoons. This probably looks so gross to you. Next, you're gonna put in your witch hazel. If you have oily skin, I suggest maybe 1 teaspoon. If you have drier skin, maybe half a teaspoon, maybe just a few drops, but we're gonna put in 1 teaspoon right now, about. And for your final ingredient, it's gonna be your tea tree oil. Put in a few drops to your skin preference. I'll show you about how much I put in. Sometimes I overdo it, so just be careful because it comes pouring out, and if you put in too much, it can really dry up and irritate your skin. So once you have all of your ingredients in here, you're gonna take water. I'm gonna get hot water and pour it in, and then you're gonna mix it all together because you want the coconut oil to melt and you want all the ingredients to combine together. Spoon. So you're gonna wanna fill it up just above halfway, right under the 24-ounce line. So if your coconut oil doesn't melt all the way, you can heat it up a little bit. So what you're gonna do after that is you're gonna take your wipes, you're gonna rip them open, and you're just gonna put them right into it. Now you're gonna wanna do this slowly because you can burn your fingers and you can also make the liquid overflow. Second packet, same thing. I just kind of funnel them in. You'll figure out what works best for you. And you just keep pushing them down. Okay, so the reason I put 2 packets and not 1 is because if there's too much liquid, then you're just going to be rubbing a bunch of liquid on your face, and that's not going to be beneficial for your makeup removing process. So you're just going to push these down. You're going to have to shove them down a little bit and just kind of wait for the water to soak in. And so what I like to do is I like to put the cap on, twist it tight, and then flip it upside down so the excess water goes to the other cotton opals that haven't had as much product. So wait a couple minutes, and you can honestly use these right away. They feel really good because they're warm on your skin. And so after a few minutes, the excess liquid will be soaked up by the rest of these cotton pads. But when you take it out, the first one's not very pretty, but you have a makeup wipe, and they work very, very well. I'm also so sorry for talking so fast. I have to be somewhere in 10 minutes, so true test of time. Oh my gosh, I don't know what's wrong with me. I'm great. I never shut up. I don't stop talking as soon as I turn on the camera. Just silence overcomes my body. I don't know what to say. I'm just uncomfortable.